नाज़रीन, आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं सेंसेशंस ऑफ स्मेल की। तो इसमें हम बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें सीखने वाले हैं और आपको भी मैं बताऊंगी कि इसमें एबनॉर्मेलिटीज़ कौन कौन सी आती हैं, प्राइमरी सेंसेशंस कौन सी होती हैं, इनमें रिलेशनशिप क्या है। क्योंकि प्रीवियसली हमने वीडियो में टेस्ट के बारे में बात की थी, अब हम स्मेल में बात करें तो इन दोनों में बेसिक रिलेशनशिप क्या है ये भी देखेंगे, एबनॉर्मेलिटीज़ भी देखेंगे। शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो को। स्मेल इज़ द लेटेस्ट अंडरस्टूड ऑफ आवर सेंसेस। This result partially from the fact that the sense of smell is subjective phenomena that cannot be studied with ease in lower animals. Another complicating problem is that the sense of smell is poorly developed in the human beings in comparison with the sense of smell in many lower animals. Then we are talking about the relationship between the smell and taste. The physiologically smell and taste are related to each other. The flavors of the various foods are in large part of the combination of their taste and smell. Consequently, food may taste different if one has a cold that depresses the sense of smell. But both the smell and taste receptors are chemoreceptors that are stimulated by the molecule in the solution in the mucus in the nose and saliva in the mouth. Then we are talking about the physiology of smell sensation. Olfactory mucous membrane and olfactory cells. The olfactory membrane lies in superior part of each nostril. The receptor cells for the smell sensation are the olfactory cells, which are actually bipolar nerve cells derived originally from the central nervous system itself. These are about 100 million of these cells in the olfactory epithelium. Then we are talking about the primary sensations of smell, which are given below. Seven non-primary sensations of the smell are camphorous, musky, flora, pepperminty, and ethereal, pungent, and putrid. And then we are talking about the olfactory adaptation. It is also called the olfactory fatigue. Olfactory adaptation means that the olfactory sensation decreased with the continuous exposure to an odorant. It occurs with the second or minutes depending on the nature of the odorant. Pathway for smell. The olfactory receptor cells are the primary afferent neurons in the olfactory system. Axons from the receptor cells leave the olfactory epithelium, pass through the cribriform plate and synapse on apical dendrites of mitral cells, the second order neurons in the olfactory bulb. These synapses occur in the cluster called the glomeruli. In the glomeruli, approximately 1000 olfactory receptors axons converge onto one mitral cell. Mitral cells of the olfactory bulb project to higher centers in the CNS. The olfactory tract enters the brain at the anterior junction between the mesencephalon and cerebrum. There, the tract divides into two pathways, one passing medially into the medial olfactory area of brain stem and the other passing laterally into the lateral olfactory area. Then we are talking about the medial olfactory area. It represents a very old olfactory system. The medial olfactory area consists of a group of the nuclei located in the mid-basal portion of the brain, immediately anterior to the hypothalamus. Most conspicuous are the septal nuclei, which are midline nuclei that feed into the hypothalamus and other primitive portions of the brain limbic system. Some functions are: this is the brain area most concerned with the basic behavior. So, remaining things will be discussed in the next video in detail. Thank you so much for watching.